welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to cook Keema Peas recipe. This is also Indian Pakistan cuisine. So we need this minced beef. This is 500 grams of beef and tomato. We need to blend this later. And here's all the spices that we're going to use. So blended onion, tomato, minced beef, and the rest of the spices. So we're going to start. Put the oil in the pan. Then we're going to add the onion. Then let's just fry the onion till it becomes brown color. Then we're going to add the ginger and garlic paste and fry it together with the onion. So as you can see, it all turns brown. I think it's ready. So we're going to add our spices and fry it for at least 1 minute. Now we're going to add our blended tomato. I usually fry it for like at least 5 minutes. Just to set the gravy ready. And then we're going to add our minced beef. Breaking up chunks and cook until no longer pink on the side. It's a kind of hard work to break the chunks, and just to make sure that it's mixed properly and no lumps. Now let's add half a cup of water. Then let's just cover it and cook for another 10 minutes. Now let's check after 10 minutes. And this is how it looks like. So we're just gonna mix it, make sure that it's not burned at the bottom. So I'm gonna put it on high flame and keep stirring. And let's just wait till the water and the oil separates. And now I'm going to put our green peas. And now we're gonna cook this again for another 10 minutes just to make sure that the green peas isn't hard. And we're going to put it on a low flame. And after 10 minutes, our keema and peas is ready. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below for more updates. And thank you so much for watching.